Alright, thought I'd do a quick video on how I do my sanding. What I do to get the black inside the letters is I spray it with a black primer. It's the Krylon 2X black, flat black primer. I get that at Walmart, and I spray it, get my edges, and so I'm left with this. So then I start off with my belt sander, and I'll use 3 different grits. I'll hit it with the 40 grit to get the bulk of it off. Then I'll drop down the 80, and then the 120. And then I'll probably do a light sand, finish sand with my orbital at again at 120, just to give it a little bit smoother finish. Alright, I've taken the 40 grit off, put the 80 grit on. Now I'm ready to do the second round of sanding. I'm going to do the back one time with the 80 grit, and then the back will be done. Just to smooth it up, take some of those rough lines out, and then that's it. Now it's ready for the 120. Okay, I've swapped the 80 grit belt for the 120. Now I'm just going to do a quick sand. There, that's about all it needs. Just a quick sand, get rid of the lines on there, and then I will follow this up with my random orbital at 220. I think I said earlier 120, I meant 220. I'll hit it with that real quick, and then it'll be ready for finish. Okay, I'm ready for the orbital sander. I wanted to show a little trick I do with my discs. Is I write the grit on them, because after I use it a little bit, the grit is going to wear off. It's going to be hard to read, but this will stay longer, and so I don't have to guess what grit I'm using or I'm grabbing out of my drawer. If it's something that I've already used, I'm sure it'll be visible. So here we go. There it is. All sanded, ready for finish.